Hey friends, Hattie from Honeybee Stampers here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the Kits Collection by Stampin' Up. So what the Kits Collection is an all-inclusive card kit or project kit that is available only for purchase online. So you're not going to see it in any of our Stampin' Up catalogs or publications, but if you hop on to our website, and I'll share a link right directly to these kits below in the description so that you can see them. You can see which kits are available. So the kits are always going to come in a cute little brown box like this, and inside you're going to find, well, let's open this one up and I'll show you. Inside you're going to find a instruction booklet that looks like this, and it's in color. So it gives you step-by-step instructions as to how to put the cards or the projects together. And what you see on the front of this, very similar if you're familiar with Paper Pumpkin, very similar to Paper Pumpkin, what you see here is what you're going to be able to make. So if you can count 4 of these cards here and 4 of these cards here with coordinating envelopes, then that's what's going to come in the kit. And so let me show you, I'll take my little notes out of there. Inside the kit, you're going to have the card bases that are already cut and prepped and usually printed on in some really fabulous way. And then on the other side, they're going to be white, which is great because then you don't have to worry about having to add an extra piece of a lighter color cardstock to be able to write. You're going to have all kinds of pieces like this that are perforated that you can kind of punch out. As you can see, I've been working in this kit. You're also going to get a little ink spot that you're going to use on your projects. You'll get some kind of adhesive. So these are our glue dots. And then these right here are some adhesive strips. So you'll get that, and you won't use all of them on your projects, and so you'll have extra left over to use on other crafting projects that you have. You'll have embellishments included. Everyone will get a little acrylic block. This is great. You can never have too many of those. And again, just some more perforated pieces or die cut pieces that are already done, so that it makes putting these cards or projects together so quick and easy. So that's what you can find in the kit. Of course, I don't know if I mentioned the stamp set. Here's the stamp set that goes with this one. You've got this great photopolymer stamp set that you can use over and over again. So if you're brand new to stamping, basically what you would do is you would take the stamp off of the sheet. Okay, we'll use this one right here. And you'll just place it on your acrylic block. You'll use the little ink spot to ink it up. I have all of the colors that are in a larger, in the larger ink pad, so I usually use those, and I don't open these up unless I need them for my Stamparatus. But anyways, you would ink it up, your stamp, and then you can stamp down. Here are the 2 cards. So it always looks so much better when you look at it in person versus just in this 2D version. But look at how cute this card is. So these are great cards that you can send for birthdays. Now let me show you a couple other cards and projects from the kits. I didn't grab all of them, but I did grab a few to show you kind of what they look like. So this one here is called Petal Notes Card Kit. The card kits come either with a Stampin' ink, or they come where there's no stamping involved. So that's great too, where that means that they've already done all of the stamping for you. So this thinking of you is already done for you, and all you have to do is assemble. So this is really fantastic. These kits right here, the ones that don't come with the Stampin' ink, these are definitely cheaper than ones that do. The price point is just, I mean, I don't think any of the kits are more than $25 that I can remember, and some are as low as $12 or $14, something along those lines. So you'll have to get online and check it out. But for the Petal Notes card kit, you'll be able to make 9 cards. So I'm just showing you one of each of the cards here. So here's one of the cards, and this is a no stamping kit. So you can put these cards together so fast. And it also comes with all the other languages that we have markets. So Stampin' Up! Is in Germany, and so they've got German sentiments, and then we've got French sentiments, and they've got, what is the other one? Dutch. So you can find other languages, so that might be interesting to you. And then they've got some coordinating envelopes as well. I love this. It's even got a little bit of a design on the inside. and then the outside has this beautiful detail. So this is a great card kit, and I'm sharing this with you not only because they're awesome and they're great gifts, especially when you're thinking of something unique, or maybe you want to do a birthday party for your kids, or just get some girlfriends together and make some card kits. Then you've got these really great kits that you can order. Everybody will get their own kit and you can have a great crafting night. So, but for the month of June, which we're in June right now, almost over, you can get these kits as a BOGO, buy one get one 50% off. And the awesome thing is the kit that they take 50% off of is the more expensive kit. So say for instance you chose a $12 kit and a $25 kit, obviously you'll get the $25 kit half off. That's incredible. So here's another one. This was a super popular one when it first came out, and it sold out right away, and now we are carrying it again. But it's the Notes of Cheer card kit. Let me show you what those look like. If you do find that some of the kits have sold out, they will say that it's unavailable, and sometimes they bring it out or bring it back, and sometimes they don't. So you just kind of have to keep checking the website for that. So here's one of the cards. I just think it's so pretty. This is another card kit that takes no stamping at all. So all of the sentiments and everything are already printed for you. But look how beautiful that card is. And then it's got this really nice scalloped detail for the envelope, and then of course it's got a pretty pattern on the inside. This is super unique. So this is a butterfly card shaped like a butterfly, and I just think that's so cute. And then here's a coordinating envelope for that, and then here's another one. So great. Let's see. And then here's your envelope for that one. So this is a very inexpensive kit. Sorry, I don't remember the price point on this off the top of my head, but when you click on the link, you'll see it. And remember, buy one, get one half off. Okay, so here's our next kit. This one's called For the Guys. This is one of my favorite kits. And you've got two different kinds of cards, but the stamp set that comes with this is incredible. It's got all kinds of sentiments that you can put in there. And so, for instance, this one's thank you for all you do. I actually created some Father's Day cards with these because it had a Father's Day stamp, and then it has stamps that says dad, brother, grandfather, grandpa, that kind of thing. It's such an awesome kit. And then this one I turned into a happy anniversary. So I originally had made these both as Father's Day cards, and now I've changed it up. So I love that you have the ability to do that. So you can see this one is a Father's Day card, and then this one I just kind of cased as is. So there's that. And then you've got these beautiful envelopes as well with that wood grain on the inside. And then I think this has plaid. So I love this kit. This kit is just awesome. So it's a very nice masculine card kit that you can purchase and create 8 cards with, and you can have them whenever you need them. So not only do they do cards, but they do, well, these are cards, but this is a cute little, I guess, random acts of kindness. You could put this little pouch here that has all these cards in there in your purse or in your car, and then you can just grab these cards whenever you need them. They're little small tiny cards. These are the kind of cards I think of when you're adding to a gift or something. But thank you, it means so much. This is a great little card. And then look at these cute envelopes. Aren't those so sweet? I just think this is so adorable. Here's all the different cards that you can make. Here are the envelopes, but I'll just go through them and show you what I've created. And honestly, I don't change them out at all. I follow the directions that are shared with you exactly. I don't even try to switch it up because they're just so cute. But wouldn't this be great? You can put this in one of your kids' lunch boxes, or your husband's lunchbox, or your wife's lunchbox, or whoever. You could give this to your mail person, and I think the rest of them are just envelopes. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you how cute and adorable those cards are. And then they come with this really sweet little, it's plastic pouch that you can just tie up and put in your purse or something. Okay, anyway, so that's what that is. I have a few more to share. This one actually really surprised me. I saw this and it wasn't my favorite at first until I put it together. This one's called the Precious Parcel Card Kit. And you're gonna have 2 different cards that you can create, and you'll make 4 of each of the cards, and I'll just show you what the cards look like. So they've got this little piece that you can pull out, and you can write on here, and it's got this little stamp that's clipped to the top. And you can change out this part here. This is another one that has no stamping to it. They're just kind of stickers, and oh, that's just so cute. And you put this little stickers on the bottom. And when you open it up here, you can put another little message to somebody. And I just think that's so sweet. And then look at this cute envelope. And then here's the other one. So I love that. It's kind of an interactive card. And then you can open it up and continue to write on the inside. So this one is definitely an inexpensive kit because there's no stamping. Easy to put together. Okay, this one is one of my absolute favorites. This is the Sentimental Rose card kit, and it comes with a little gift box. And so you will be able to create 9 different cards. So this one, and that one. And then it has a cute little box, even includes the decoration for the box. And you can use this as a gift. This would be a great gift to give somebody maybe who's hosting a party as like a little hostess gift, if you get invited to something. Or you can give this to a teacher as a teacher gift. So I did a thank you card. This one says happy birthday. I went with thank you. It's got these cute little embellishments that's included as well. And then this one says congratulations. And this one is a happy birthday. And then you've got the coordinating envelopes. So I'm only showing you 3 of them, but you'll get 3 each of these different cards. That means you'll get 9 cards, and they all fit very nicely in this little box and make just the best gift. I'm gonna definitely purchase some more of these because these are buy one, get one half off. The stamp set that's included with it is awesome. It's got all these great sentiments in there, and yeah, this is probably my favorite kit of all of the kits. So this one's called Sentimental Rose, and hopefully it hasn't sold out yet, but this one's definitely a must. So cute. This kit here, this was a different one. This was a kindness cards kit, and it actually came with a tin and some stickers. This was one that did come with the stamp set. So the stamp set is one that has awesome sentiments in it, and you're definitely going to want to check it out. You want to purchase this even just for the stamp set, then you can create other cards with it. But what you'll get inside, and I don't have all of the little, I don't know what these are called, but they're just like chipboard almost. They're hard, and the idea of this is to do random acts of kindness, like I mentioned earlier. These fit into these cute little envelopes, and it comes with little stickers that you can put to seal it. But when you hand it to somebody, when they open it up, they've got all these really encouraging sentiments. So you shine like the stars, have a great day. And then they can flip it over and it says, you made my day. There's so many different sentiments. Let me actually go through them. Your smile makes the world a brighter place. Isn't that sweet? Kind people are my kind of people. I love that sentiment, definitely. And then no act of kindness is ever wasted. Kindness wins. You are amazing. And then it repeats that same sentiment on the bottom there. And this one says thanks. Okay. This was the same one that I just read. I messed it up, so I had to like stamp it again and put it on a piece of cardstock and stick it on there. But anyways, and then this stamp says pass it on. So people can kind of bless other people with it. And I'll share on my Instagram page. We took this little kit with us when we went on our Disney cruise for Sterling's birthday, and Sterling and I created some of these in our room, and then Sterling handed these out to everybody that helped us on the cruise. So it was just really fun. But the stamp set is a must on this. So Kindness Cards kit, grab it so you can get the stamp set for sure. This is a good one. There's that. I have a couple more. And then we've got the No Matter the Weather card kit. This one might look familiar if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. They've reconfigured it just a little bit. The stamp set is great sentiments. And then here are the cards. So very easy to put together. All of these little rain boots are already, they're already done for you, and all you have to do is just pop them out. And then you are capable of amazing things. That's one of the sentiments. And it even comes with these embellishments that look like little raindrops. So how cute is that? And that's such an encouraging card as well. And then there's the envelope that could go with it. And then this one right here is a nice one to send to. And let's see this envelope. Okay, beautiful envelopes. And then Let Love Grow. And then there's that. I don't know who I would send that to. Let Love Grow. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas as to what kind of situation you would send somebody that sentiment, let me know. But there's other sentiments in the stamp set as well that comes with this kit. And they've got like these little clouds right here are stamped. And obviously the sentiments. And there's just, it's just a great, great kit. Oh, and this little kind of like dirt or whatever on the bottom. That's also a stamp. So there's a kit, and let me share my last kit, and then I'll hop on hopefully before the end of the month and share with you guys some more kits that that we have that are available. So this one was a cool one. It's called Celebrate Today. It's a magnet board. It had sold out for a while and now it's back, but essentially it looks like this. Okay, and you can actually change out the background. If you don't like the pink and green, you can change it, you can flip it around. So this is just a fun magnet board that you can use, and you know, you can make it for yourself, you can make it for as a gift for a friend. So this was just a really cool kit. I actually did this kit with some of my friends. My friend Jen got her friends together and I got to join in on that, and they just kind of grabbed some drinks and they actually did their kits on Zoom. So it was super fun to get together and just create something. So those are the kits, and I hope you guys enjoy that little closer look into these kits. It's kind of hard to see sometimes when you're just looking online, especially like a kit like this. I would have never thought that I would have liked this kit, but I really do now that I've seen it and played with it. So check it out, you guys. They're on sale for the month of June. I'll share some links below so that you don't miss out. And I hope that was helpful. I'll see you guys all again soon. Thanks. Bye.